Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the tutorial for Lufi access obd2. So how you gonna do that? To choose your system, you go to enter and system setup, and you go to choose system, enter, choose your brand, Honda, enter. You sure? Just enter. Once you done that, you can do the auto locking. Go to others setup, enter, scroll down, you can see all those auto lock speed. So once you travel at 15 km per hour, it will auto lock your doors. Even your repeat lock, open door flashing, sudden brake unlock, sudden brake flashing, park unlock doors, and reverse flashing. That's all. Thank you.